Okay, I'm going to give you a 3-point analogy of how this whole process works. First, think about a lamp. A lamp has to have power, right? In order to work. So the lamp in this analogy, we call the tasker. The lamp is the person who needs information. So for example, if a policeman would need to know the color of the kidnapper's car, then in this scenario, the policeman is the tasker or the lamp in the analogy. Now, I have no control over the lamp's need for power, just as I have no control over the policeman's need for information. Think about the source of the power that feeds the lamp or that powers the lamp. If you think about the source of power that the lamp needs, we usually use lightning as an example of that power. And it doesn't matter what the source is, if it's the Akashic records or angels or spirit guides or the great big cosmic database in the sky, or just the fact that we're all connected through consciousness. So I have no control over the source of power that powers the lamp, and I have no control over the lamp's need for power. So what is controlled in this whole 3-point process? The only thing that I can control is the conduit. The conduit is what brings the source of power to the lamp, or what is going to bring the information from the source of information to the tasker or the person who needs the information. And that conduit in this illustration is going to be you, the controlled remote viewer. You're the only thing that can be controlled in this whole illustration, and you're going to be controlling yourself. Keep that in mind, that this isn't about someone else controlling you. This is about you learning to control yourself. So in this analogy, just as I really don't understand electricity and how it powers my lamp, I don't really need to worry about it. I certainly don't need to spend all day trying to figure it out, unless that's going to be my career. But for most of us, we just flick the switch and on comes the light. And just as we can use the electricity in a really practical way, you don't have to understand exactly how this works to be able to use it usefully in your life.